So this latest Cleanse and Restore program, let's go through the whole program and look at the elements that are in there. It's designed as a 30-day program, and it has a number of different elements in there. It has the Lifelong Vitality Pack, along with the European version for Terrazyme, and lemon in this first stage that go throughout that full 30 days. We have also a brand new European version of the Zendercline Complex, which is very exciting because it's both formulated for Europe and manufactured within Europe, which means it now can become a permanent product and we can have it permanently available. And that Zendercline is a really essential part of it throughout the program. And of course, we then have the GX Assist, we have the probiotics, the PB Restore, which is also the latest version of the PB Restore. And finally, the Zendocrine Softgels and the DDR Prime. And the whole program is set out, as I said, over 30 days. And during that 30 days, the entire 30 days, the foundation is the Lifelong Vitality, which you need to take anyway, but it's really important through the detox to take, because to keep that nutrition, to keep the body, to keep those organs well nourished, you need to make sure you have all the micronutrients that you get from there, the omega-3s, and of course the cellular response cellular support that you get from the full LLV range throughout those 30 days.